Hello, grade 4. How are you? What's going on? Did you write question number 1 to 4? I am sure you have done. Let's continue with question number 5 to 8. Look at question number 5. What does Jack speak through? Number 6. Why is it hard to see inside the old ship? Number 7. Why is it hard for Jack to fight the octopus? Number 8. Was it more important to bring up the treasure or to come up safely? Let's discuss these questions one by one. Number 5. What does Jack speak through? You have to mention the thing, the object that Jack used to speak to his friend who was in the boat. This picture and text will help you to find the correct answer. Look at question number 6. Why is it hard to see inside the old ship? Look at this picture. Jack is trying to enter the ship, but it is hard to see inside the old ship. You have to find out the reason. When the question starts with why, you have to use because in the answer. Look at question number 7. Why is it hard for Jack to fight the octopus? Jack is fighting the octopus, but it is hard for Jack to fight the octopus. You have to find out the reason. This picture and the text will help you to find the exact answer. Look at the last question. Was it more important to bring up the treasure or to come up safely? Here are two different things. To bring up the treasure or to come up safely. There are two choices. Jack was fighting the octopus and there was also treasure. Jack wanted to save his life. He also wanted to take the treasure. You have to think hard and decide what was more important, to bring up the treasure or to come up safely. Write down your answers in your notebook, take a picture and send me on my email address. Bye-bye.